light, sound and force. Activity: bedside lamp. Theory: light is a source of illumination, whether a natural one like the sun or an artificial one like your lamp. Objects that emit light on their own are called luminous objects. What we need: empty bottle of your choice, foam paper, colors of your choice, feather, gloves, pom-pom, pipe cleaners. Get creative, it will make the animal interesting. Googly eyes, 4 carriage bolts with nuts, LED string lights, a cutter, quick dry glue, hot glue, a pair of scissors, pencil and scrap paper to trace. How we do it? Step 1. In advance, rinse the bottle with clean inside out and dry it thoroughly for 2 to 3 days. Step 2. Body. Trace the bottle side label on a piece of scrap paper. Place it on a foam sheet to trace and cut. Glue all labels with quick dry glue on the bottle. You can add a boa for hair, pom-poms, feathers, cut up foam, felt, gloves on its foam side. Glue on googly eyes. Step 3. Ears. Cut some ears with foam sheets with any color of your choice. Make a small cut or hole and tuck the foam ears in with the help of a pencil back. Step 4. Legs. Flip your bottle over and push in the screws. See to it that they are roughly equidistant 4 corners so it balances. If you have waste bottle caps, you can glue them too. Step 5. Turn it into a lamp. Step 6. Make a small cut on the underside and feed the LED string light cord through the bottle with the plug and desired length of cord remaining out to plug it into a socket. It's very important to use LED lights because it will not get hot and melt the plastic of the bottle. What we learn: objects like the sun that give out or emit light of their own are called luminous objects. Other man-made luminous objects are electric bulb, torch, lamp, etc. Non-luminous objects are objects which does not have their own light but visible only when light from luminous source reflects from them. So dear students, let's try to find out the answers to some questions that follows. Now, check your responses. So we hope you have liked this activity. Happy learning!